Welcome to the product demonstration of energy management system for smart classrooms. In this product we are using RFID reader and Arduino UNO board, Wi-Fi module, LCD display, track PCB and 2 transistor boards and 2 CPU fans, and also using 2 bulb holders with the 2 bulbs, and also using one bridge rectifier we can see here, and also using temperature sensor and RFID tags. These are in a 5. Each RFID tag will be carrying each student. So we are giving the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply and it is given to this bridge rectifier. Through bridge rectifier we are connecting these bulbs parallelly at the with each phase we are connecting to this relays. Here we can see 2 relays. One relay is for the one bulb and second relay is for the second bulb. Now we are providing the power supply. So whenever we give the power supply 230 volts power supply to this rectifier, so it will convert up to 5 volts of DC power supply. That 5 volts of DC power supply will be given to this track PCB. Through this track PCB we can equally divide the 5 volts to the all components like relay, Wi-Fi module, Arduino UNO, RFID reader and LCD display. So now it is in on position. So first of all we need to on our hotspot. So we have to go for the hotspot settings. So here we can see product hotspot name should be product 6523 and password should be 129 and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. Then only this Wi-Fi module will be connected to our mobile. So here we can see one device is connected. ESP7766 D4 is the address of this Wi-Fi module. After that so each student will carry this RFID. So if one student will be entered in classroom, so now one student is entered and relay 1 gets switched on and one will be on, and second one and we can see second one. And third one and fourth one. So it will become a fourth. So the second relay will be get switched on and bulb 2 will be in on position. So if I use this one again, so it will be out. Now one is out and fourth one. So when it is become less than 4 members, if the temperature become more than 39 degrees, the left side fan will be on. If the students become more than 4, you can see here. So if the temperature is more than 39, then more than 3 students, then 2 fans will be get switched on. So here we can see the 2 fans are in a on position. When it becomes 3, then 1 fan will be rotated. And when it becomes 3, and second relay will be get switched off. When it become less than 1, then automatically relay 1 also gets switched off. In this way this probably works, and also the data will be sent it to Google Sheet. It will show you that. So we can see the data with the date and time and status with the ID number. So whenever we on the hotspot, our mobile net will be used by this Wi-Fi module. Through wirelessly this data will be given to this Google Sheet. In this way this part will be works. Thanks for watching.